Get your garden pitch ready for a winning season. Are you ready for some football? Imagine the thrill of the game, the cheers of the crowd, and the excitement of every goal. Now, what if you could bring that same energy and enthusiasm to your own backyard? Are you ready to cheer on England? Picture your garden as a mini stadium, where every plant and flower represents the spirit of the game. This year, let's bring that excitement right to our gardens. Transform your outdoor space into a vibrant, football-themed haven. We can grow a beautiful garden with the colors of the England flag: red, white, and blue. It's easy and fun. Imagine the pride of seeing your garden flourish with these patriotic colors, each plant a testament to your dedication and love for the game. Think of your garden as a football pitch. Every section of your garden can represent different parts of the field, from the goalposts to the midfield. We're the managers, and the vegetables are our star players. Just like a football team, each plant needs care, attention, and the right conditions to thrive. We'll plant them, care for them, and watch them grow big and strong. With the right nurturing, our garden will be the envy of the neighborhood, just like a well-coached team. Then we can enjoy delicious food while cheering for our favorite team. It's a win-win. Imagine the joy of sharing a meal made from your own garden's produce, each bite filled with the flavors of your hard work and passion. Get your gardening gloves ready, and let's kick off this exciting gardening adventure. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this is your chance to create something truly special. So gather your tools, rally your family, and let's make this gardening season one to remember. First, let's bring in the red. Nothing says vibrant and healthy like the color red in your garden. Tomatoes are like the strikers of our garden team. They are versatile, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in a salad, or cooked into a sauce, tomatoes are a must-have. Plant Gardener's Delight for a classic cherry tomato or moneymaker for bigger, juicier ones. Gardener's Delight offers a sweet, tangy flavor perfect for snacking, while Moneymaker provides a robust taste ideal for cooking. These sunny fruits love the warmth and will reward you with a bountiful harvest. Next up, red peppers. These vibrant vegetables are not only visually appealing, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. These bright veggies add a sweet and crunchy bite. They are perfect for adding color and flavor to your dishes, whether raw, roasted, or grilled. Try growing Red Knight for a classic bell pepper taste. This variety is known for its thick walls and sweet flavor, making it a favorite among gardeners. Remember, peppers like a little extra warmth, so a sunny spot is perfect for them. Ensure they get plenty of sunlight and water regularly for the best results. And for a fast-growing splash of red, we have radishes. These root vegetables are quick to mature and add a peppery kick to your meals. These peppery little bulbs are ready to pick in just a few weeks. They are perfect for impatient gardeners looking for quick results. Cherry Bell is a reliable variety that adds a zing to salads. Its crisp texture and spicy flavor make it a delightful addition to any dish. So get planting and enjoy a red-hot display in your garden. Now, let's add some white to represent those clean sheets England will keep. White vegetables are not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients and flavor. Cauliflower is a great choice. This versatile vegetable can be used in a variety of dishes, from creamy soups to roasted sides. Plant all year round for a reliable harvest. This variety is known for its resilience and can be grown in different seasons, ensuring you have a steady supply. These beautiful whiteheads need plenty of space to grow, so give them room to spread their leaves. Proper spacing ensures they get enough sunlight and nutrients, leading to healthier plants. Turnips are another fantastic white vegetable. They are not only easy to grow, but also very versatile in the kitchen. They're easy to grow and add a sweet, earthy flavor to your dishes. Turnips can be roasted, mashed, or even used in stews and soups. Try Tokyo forcing for an early harvest. This variety is quick to mature, allowing you to enjoy fresh turnips early in the season. Parsnips are another winning choice for our white team. They have a unique sweet flavor that becomes more pronounced after the first frost. They need a bit of patience as they grow slowly throughout the autumn and winter. But this slow growth allows them to develop a rich, complex flavor. But trust me, the sweet, nutty flavor of a roasted parsnip is worth the wait. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and adds a delightful crunch. Gladiator is a good variety to try. This variety is known for its large, uniform roots and excellent flavor. It's perfect for roasting, mashing, or adding to soups and stews. So whether you're looking to add some visual appeal to your garden or some nutritious options to your meals, these white vegetables are a great choice. Happy gardening! Okay, we don't have blue veggies, but we can have fun with purple. Purple carrots, like purple haze, are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They're just as easy to grow as orange carrots. Next, let's plant some kale. Red boar kale has beautiful blue-green leaves with purple veins. It's a superfood and can be enjoyed in salads, smoothies, or even baked into crisps. And for a real showstopper, try growing blue potatoes. Blue Adirondack potatoes have striking blue flesh that keeps its color even after cooking. They're a fun and tasty addition to any meal. Section 6, Halftime Treats, enjoying the fruits of your labor. As your veggies start to grow, you'll be rewarded with the most delicious homegrown food. Imagine biting into a juicy red tomato you grew yourself, or roasting those colorful carrots to perfection. You can use your garden bounty to create amazing snacks to enjoy while watching the England matches. How about a fresh salad with tomatoes, radishes, and cucumbers? Or maybe some crunchy kale chips and homemade salsa with your blue potatoes? The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Show your true colors. Let your garden cheer for England. Growing your red, white, and blue vegetable garden is not just about delicious food, it's about showing your love for England. When your garden is bursting with color, it's like having a little piece of Wembley Stadium right in your backyard. Invite your friends and neighbors over to share the bounty and cheer on the team together. Imagine the fun you'll have watching the match surrounded by the colors of your homegrown England flag. Section 8. Join the home team growing together for a greener future. This year, why not take your love for England and gardening one step further? Share pictures of your red, white, and blue veggie gardens online and use the hashtag #GrowForEngland. Let's inspire each other to create beautiful, edible gardens that support our team and the environment. Because when we garden together, we grow a greener future for everyone. For more gardening tips and tricks, follow us on social media. Let's grow together.